Hello everyone, welcome to my physics class. Myself Gurpreet Kaur from Sacred Heart Convent School, Raikot. Today we are going to start with the topic states of matter and their interconversion. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. These three states of matter depends upon two factors: intermolecular force and intermolecular space. These factors determine the state of matter, whether it is solid, liquid or gas. Intermolecular force is that which binds the atom in the molecules together. It is also called force of attraction. And intermolecular space is the space between the particles of the molecules. More the space, less the force of attraction. Now, if the space between the molecule is more and force is less, the matter will exist in gaseous state. But if the force is more and space is less, the matter will exist in solid state. So here the space is more in gaseous state, so loose in structure, and more in solid state, so compact in structure. Now our next topic is interconversion of states of matter. How one state of matter can be changed into another. Let us take an example of water. It can exist in all the three states of matter. Water in the form of ice is a solid, water in the form of fluid is a liquid, and water in the form of steam is a gas. So here we can say water can be changed into ice as well as steam. So the states of matter are interconvertible and it is a reversible process. State of matter changes due to change in kinetic energy and intermolecular space. On heating, the kinetic energy of particle increases, so intermolecular space also increases, means the gap between the molecule increases, and this causes change of state from one form to another form. Change of state is a reversible process. A diagram given on screen shows various processes involved in change of state of matter. Now let us involve a student by asking the name of processes occur when the state changes from one form to another with examples. Now Rikita is coming to explain these processes with examples.
When solid changes into liquid on heating, that process is called melting. For example, ice changes into water on heating due to melting. When liquid changes into solid on cooling, that process is called freezing. For example, water changes into ice on cooling due to freezing. When liquid changes into gas on heating, that process is called vaporization. For example, sprinkled water on the roof dry after some time because of vaporization. When gas changes into liquid on cooling, that process is called condensation. For example, windscreen of a car becomes foggy in winter due to condensation. When solid directly changes into gas on heating, that process is called sublimation. For example, when naphthalene balls and camphor balls are heated, they get directly changes into gaseous form. When gas directly changes into solid, that process is called deposition. For example, when vapors of naphthalene, camphor, iodine, etc. are cooled down, they will form dry ice, iodine, naphthalene balls, camphor balls, etc. Thank you.